ProWritingAid boasts some of the most robust features of any editing software out there. But at the end of the day, does it do all the things that you need it to do for you on your author journey? Having written 7 books now, I could tell you that finding the right editing tools that help but don't stifle my creativity is key, while also keeping the price low. In this video, we'll be going through some of the features that we love about ProWritingAid, some of the things we don't totally love, and then by the end of this video, you should be able to determine whether ProWritingAid is the editing software for you. I'm Zach Diamante with Kindlepreneur. Let's get into it. ProWritingAid is a powerful online proofreading and editing software. It's a grammar checker, plagiarism detector, writing coach, and overall editing tool in one. ProWritingAid integrates with a whole slew of software and browsers that writers use, from Chrome to Google Docs to Scrivener to Atticus. According to their website, ProWritingAid bills itself as a grammar guru, a style editor, and a writing mentor all in one package. And while the term guru may sound a little goofy, I actually get what they mean. It does help with style and grammar, but it actually also helps you learn from your mistakes. ProWritingAid can really help authors improve things like word choices, grammar errors, and spelling mistakes, a clunky or sticky sentence that interrupts the flow of your writing, the consistency of past and present tense use, and all sorts of other things. Not only will it point these things out to you and tell you how to fix them, but it also provides you with an explanation as to why. Paying attention to these notes can really help you learn and improve your writing going forward. Not only that, but ProWritingAid can be extremely helpful for pretty much anyone who writes or wants to improve their writing. It's good for authors, book editors, bloggers, copywriters, students, academics, and professionals. I could tell you from an author's perspective how useful it is, but I can imagine how it would be helpful in those other areas as well. And since it can integrate with your browser, it can actually improve your corporate life as well. It can help you proofread and edit your reports, important emails, or even presentations about your next product launch. And that's pretty cool. Now, before we go into some of the features that we at Kindlepreneur really love about ProWritingAid, let me explain a little bit about how it works. ProWritingAid shows specific types of issues in your writing by underlining them in various colors. Red underlines show spelling errors, blue underlines show grammatical mistakes, yellow underlines show suggestions for writing style improvements, and purple underlines highlight passive voice use and suggest ways to change phrases to make them active voice. When you hover over the underlined text, ProWritingAid will show you its suggestions for correcting or improving the text. If you're not sure of the suggestion, you can click on the little information button for more details on what kind of error ProWritingAid has identified. For example, the spell checker helps to explain why a word may be marked as misspelled. Simply click on the underlined word to see what the issue is. You could select one of the suggested changes, or if you don't like the suggestion, you could choose to ignore it. For grammar, style, and passive voice usage, you'll see something similar, helping you with suggestions for improvement and explaining why ProWritingAid flagged it. All of these are optional, of course, and you can pick and choose which suggestions to ignore or incorporate. And as cool as all that is, there's even more for our deep dive data lovers. If you love data and want to analyze almost every aspect of your writing, ProWritingAid can run reports to help you dial in on specific things. There are numerous reports to choose from. But if you wanted to run a repeated word report, for example, you could select the report from the top toolbar in the desktop or web editor. Select any filters you'd like to use to drill down to the specifics, and then ProWritingAid will run the report and underline the issues in green. You could scroll through each error to see the suggestions and toggle the error type on or off. And if you're ready to review a completed piece of writing, you can even run a summary report for an extensive, in-depth analysis of your entire document. Those are just some of the things that ProWritingAid can do. But what are some of the things that we really love about it? Well, first and foremost, the spelling and grammar checker. This might seem like a given for any proofreading software, but what we're really talking about here is the power and the integration. Not only does it have a powerful, smart grammar checker that catches typos and grammatical errors, but it also integrates with just about any application you use to write. Basically, wherever you can write a sentence on your computer, ProWritingAid will be there to help keep it error-free. Plus, the ability to run your entire book through ProWritingAid at one time, rather than chapter by chapter, is incredibly helpful when you're trying to edit your fiction work as a whole. The second thing we love is that ProWritingAid has tons of different features that cater to authors of a wide variety, meaning there are features for just about anyone. But here are a few of our favorites. The rephrase feature is a really cool one that can help you with those pesky passive sentences or the elongated and clunky ones. Maybe they're technically grammatically correct, but they just don't quite read right. You know what I'm talking about. All you have to do is select the sentence in question, and it gives you suggestions for how you can rephrase it. Plus, it does so in various styles, including fluency, formal, informal, sensory, shorten, and expand. Another cool one is ProWritingAid's Chapter Critique, which gives you instant feedback on a single chapter of your story, highlighting its strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. It helps you identify spots to improve your plot, characters, setting, and more to make your story more compelling. Another feature that we really like is the real-time scoring of your writing. ProWritingAid offers a real-time grammar and style checking score. This is a little score in the upper left corner of the desktop app that you can check that updates as you edit. So if you're making edits that are making your writing better or worse, you'll know right away. And how about one more feature that we really love that's a little more nitty-gritty than the others? If you're a fiction writer, you know how important sensory language is for reader immersion in your world. You can actually run a sensory word report to see how many sensory words you used in different sections or chapters. It'll break it down by sense: sight, sound, taste, touch, smell, and it'll show you the percentage of uses. This has been super helpful for me, making me more aware and intentional about the senses that I use when I'm writing a scene, especially in my whimsical fantasy world. Another thing we really love is customizable writing styles. Before you write using ProWritingAid, you can select which style of writing you intend to do. And there's quite the list to choose from. You can use general, academic, technical, creative, casual, and others. By doing this, ProWritingAid will change the way it recommends things to you so you don't look out of place. For example, if you're writing a blog post, you could use casual. If you do, the word editor doesn't recommend complex or big words. It also allows for some of your more relaxed word fragments. However, if you want to write some more professional nonfiction books, you could use a style like technical. Depending on the audience you're trying to reach, you could shift the style and the word editor will give you more appropriate editing suggestions. And while we love all these different things about ProWritingAid, there's one thing that we really think takes this proofreading software over the top. And in truth, it's probably my favorite thing about it. We love that ProWritingAid teaches you. Staying true to its promise of being a writing mentor, ProWritingAid doesn't just correct you, it teaches you at the same time. With the explanations offered, you'll learn about the English language in great detail and increase in mastery over time. As you use the software to edit, you'll learn some of your repeated mistakes, and seeing them again and again really helps to solidify them in your mind. You can't help learning what your primary grammar mistakes are or how to fix your frequent sentence structure issues when they consistently pop up. Even going through one manuscript, you're going to identify some of your common mistakes. And understanding what your common mistakes are, you'll be able to avoid them in future projects. And if you're anything like me, I'm all about learning from my mistakes and improving my craft. Now, as much as we love ProWritingAid, there are a couple of things that aren't exactly our favorite. The first thing is that there's no Android or iOS support. More and more authors are writing on the go these days, whether on their phones or on tablets. Maybe they're at wrestling practice, or maybe they're at a soccer game for the kids, and with no mobile options at all, this software isn't usable on some of your most used devices. The second thing we don't totally love is that it's not great for editing snippets. When it comes to long-form writing, ProWritingAid is simply amazing. Really, it is. But when it comes to snippets, it's not necessarily the best option. ProWritingAid focuses more on stylistic changes and sweeping grammatical concerns than just pure spelling and grammar. Because of this, ProWritingAid requires a larger sample size to get things rolling for the program. It might not properly edit just a sentence or two. And the final con is that ProWritingAid software is currently only available in English. So if you're looking for a proofreading and editing software for another language, ProWritingAid is not yet capable of helping you with those projects. As you can see, some of our complaints for ProWritingAid are actually pretty minor compared to the vast array of features that you get with a tool like this. And even crazier, we aren't able to dive into all the different reports that you can run in this video. There are so many, like readability and sentence length and pacing and pronouns and so many more. But if you'd like to see a list breakdown of all of these, I recommend that you go and check out our review article on Kindlepreneur.com. And of course, I've got that linked in the description below for you. But before we wrap this video up, let's talk about pricing for just a minute. At the time of this recording, the premium version of ProWritingAid costs $30 per month or $120 per year. That's a 67% savings over the monthly subscription fee. Or you could do a lifetime subscription for $399. ProWritingAid does offer a 100% free version, but that won't include the features most serious writers need. But also, if you want to save some money, you can use the coupon code Kindlepreneur20 or use the link in the description below and you'll automatically receive 20% off your total purchase. And with all the amazing features that ProWritingAid offers at this decent price, it's kind of hard to deny the value. Our founder Dave Chesson actually replaced Grammarly and Hemingway with ProWritingAid for his own writing and hasn't looked back. Now, does that mean ProWritingAid will replace everything, including a human editor? Let me answer that with an emphatic no. No, ProWritingAid can't totally replace a human editor, but they can make your editor's job a lot easier. I myself recently turned over a manuscript to my developmental editor after self-editing with ProWritingAid. She told me that it actually made her job way easier, and sure, she still caught a couple of grammar mistakes and a couple of misspellings and a couple of sentence structure issues, but far less than any manuscript I've ever sent her before. And she told me she absolutely loved that because it made it so much easier for her to focus on story development, which is exactly what a developmental editor should be focused on. And that was a huge win in my book. And all that's before the brand new manuscript analysis feature, which I'm really looking forward to checking out. And don't worry, we'll definitely make a video all about that soon. At the end of the day, whether you're crafting your next blog post or writing your next novel, ProWritingAid can be a very powerful tool to help you master your use of the English language and maybe, just maybe, help you improve your craft. Overall, we at Kindlepreneur think that ProWritingAid is a really great tool for writers. I hope this video was helpful for you and we'll see you in the next one. Ever onward.